Hey everyone, my name is Emilio, and I'm one of the co-founders at Wafer. Today I'm really excited to show you our latest feature. We have finally integrated Perfetto into the IDE. I'm super excited to show you more. Let's get right into it. So I have a sample PyTorch file here, which contains a tiny transformer. It's just a very small transformer. It's about 15 lines of code, and the rest is some boilerplate that profiles and has some helper functions. I've defined this file, and now I'm going to use the PyTorch profiler to get a trace. So now that I've run the PyTorch profiler on this Python in the background, I can go to the Wafer extension over here, which contains the Perfetto app. I click on this Perfetto app, and it opens up the Perfetto view. Now we've included this button called Upload Trace over here, which you can simply click and then select the trace that you generated with the PyTorch profiler. So I click on the trace.json, and it's going to ask me if I trust, and it opens up the Perfetto trace. What you can see here is that Perfetto is literally embedded into VS Code. So the entire functionality of the original Perfetto is maintained. So I can click on the actual Python process that ran in my file, and I can analyze through this neural network what happened at each step through the timeline. I can define a range. I can do all the normal iterations that I would do as a performance engineer when I'm using the Perfetto tool, but I'm within VS Code. But my favorite feature by far, and one that was requested by many of our power users, is the ability to navigate through previous trace runs. A problem we often faced is that we ran a PyTorch profiler, we opened it in Perfetto in the browser, and then we lost the tab, or we accidentally closed the tab, and it was just hard to recover our traces. But with the traces feature integrated, you now have a way to easily navigate every single Perfetto run that you've done in the past. So I can go to a Perfetto that I ran hours ago, days, months ago, and I can just open it, and it'll open to the exact run that it's saved. We're super excited for people to try out this new feature. It's something that's been in the works for a while, and we think it'll bring massive productivity gains for engineers that live in flame graphs and want a faster way to iterate on GPU kernels. Please let us know how your experience is and how we can improve it.